Technology website. Positive impact of technology in my community. Improved communication, it is the most important part of my community. Nowadays, we send messages to loved ones or known people. We email, social media platform, etc. People feel safer with the arrival of security cameras to monitor the neighborhood. Technology enhances the education and learning process in my neighborhood. People can easily enhance their knowledge using the internet. Mechanized agriculture, laws of magnets, and technical instruments were introduced in the agricultural area, which makes farming very easy, effective, automated. Negative impact of technology in my community. Increase in employment. Nowadays, large and small business uses machinery in technical equipment because of their low costing and high efficiency. Increase in health and mental concerns. It makes people less emotionally weak, sleep problems, reduce physical activity. Also, people are spending less time with their family and friends. Increase cybercrimes. Some people, attackers, harm innocent people, are children in my community for mine of time. Ten aspect hearing the recommendation, advice, case, obligation, and suggestion for negative aspect. To most commit you to with internet rightly. You must respect the privacy in their of others. You should talk to your children about the theft of the internet. You should avoid becoming addicted to technology. You have to respect intellectual property laws. You must to comply with the rules of ways. You have to be comfort from people who may sovereigns. You have to exert during the day in order not to be sitting all the time. You should spend more time with your family instead your computer. You must learn more about machinery and technical equipment, knowledge to have a hope related with all of those. Thank you.